In this lecture, I want to talk about variable. What exactly variable? In programming, variable is memory location. Maybe some beginner students think about it. What's memory location? What is the digital address? Don't think about it. In programming, a variable is like a container that holds data, or like a shopping tooth that you can reuse for many type of things. Like for example, you want to put something to shopping tools in store and you can move these things from store to your home. This is the basic explanation of variable. How we can create a variable? In variable we have two parts. The first part is declaration and the second part is initialization. Let me explain what's actually declaration. If you want to declare your variable, you should start this with the $sign. I mean, every variable should be start with $sign. And then you can write the variable name. For example, I want to write the name of variable as a name. You can use any name right here because this is up to you, but we have some restriction in variable names. And then we will have semicolon. This is the declaration of variable. What is the initialization? If you assign a value, like for example, name will be Ahmad, and then put here semicolon, this is the initialization. It means we assigned a value to name variable. Right? Now we can check this inside H1. Like for example, name will be what? PHP single line syntax and $sign name. Save the changes and refresh the page. Look at this. Name is Ahmad. We have some type of variable. This is a string type variable. PHP is dynamic variable types. Like for example, I want to create a variable for decimal number. Like for example, $sign age equal to 25. Age is the number type variable. Number type, and this will be string type, and we have another type which we can call float. For float we have $sign, like for example amount equal to, we can write here a number like this, and then dot, I mean we will have point decimal number, then put here semicolon and comment. This type is float. Sorry, this is OA. This is float. And we have the fourth type as well. This type will be for boolean. $sign boolean, and the value will be true or false. For boolean we can accept just two values, false or true. For now I'm writing the true value and put here semicolon, and then we have comment. This is the boolean type. Remember, we can write instead of true just one is true value, and we have 0 is false value. But I want to write here true, and we have another type of variable. This type is an array. Like for example, $sign array equal to square brackets, and you can write here Ahmad, and then put here comma, and Karim, put here comma, and Bilal, and put here semicolon. This is the array type variable. It means you can contain more than one value, but in this variable we can contain just one value. If you have multi-value between square brackets, it means this is an array type variable. Let me check this value in browser. What will happen? First we have name, then I want to duplicate this and change this name to age, and the variable name will be age, and duplicate again, right here amount, and this label will be amount, and then maybe we will have payout, and this will be boolean. You can write here any name, like for example I want to change this boolean to payout. Control D and change this to payout. Save the changes, refresh the page. Look at this, we have name Ahmad, age 25, and amount will be this, and payout will be true. Look at this, here we have true value, but it's converted to 1 in browser. If I write here false, we will have nothing, because in payout we have false value. False is equal to 0, and in math just a 0 don't have any meaning. Save the changes and refresh the page. Look at this, we don't have anything in payout. But how I know what's the type of this variable, what's the type of this variable, and what's the type of this variable? We have a built-in method in PHP by the name of get type. In this method we can pass the variable name. Like for example, I want to change this to names, because here we have many names, and pass here $sign names. And one thing more, we should echo this result in browser, echo. Save the changes and refresh the page. Look at this, the variable type is array. Or if I pass here name, I mean just a name, this variable is different with this variable, because this is a plural and this is the singular. Save the changes. If I refresh the page, we will have a string right here. Look at this, we have string. Or if I pass here, for example age, we will have number. Yeah, we have a number. So if I pass here amount, save the changes and refresh the page, we have double. Double is working like flat. Or if I pass here payout, we will have boolean. Refresh the page, look at this, we have boolean. And one thing more, we have object type variable as well. Like for example, we will have a variable $sign food equal to new food class. And now we can check this food class. This type will be an object. Save the changes and refresh the page. But we have an error. Why? Because we don't have food class in our file. If we have this class in our file, we will have object type in get type result. Let me change this back to name and comment this, save and refresh. Yeah, we have the result.